Hi you guys, I'm Anmal Memon, an AI product analyst from allaboutai.com. Today we're diving into Opus Clip, an AI-powered tool designed to help you repurpose long-form videos into short, engaging social media clips. Let's see how Opus Clip can save you hours of editing and boost your social media growth. So, what is Opus Clip? Opus Clip is an AI-driven tool that helps content creators convert longer videos into short, optimized clips for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Its AI technology automatically identifies key highlights and edits them down into shareable content, maximizing engagement and visibility. What are the key features of Opus Clip? AI-powered scene detection. Opus Clip's advanced AI scans your videos to detect the most engaging moments. It's designed to find the best clips by analyzing the content and audience behavior, allowing you to deliver highly relevant snippets that resonate. Highlight extraction based on engagement. The AI doesn't just cut random scenes, it uses audience engagement data to pick moments most likely to go viral. Opus Clip ensures your clips are captivating and optimized for sharing. Automatic platform-specific formatting. Opus Clip automatically resizes and formats your clips to fit the specific dimensions and length requirements for each social media platform. Whether it's TikTok's vertical format or YouTube Shorts, your content will be ready for each platform with just a few clicks. Captions and social hooks. Another great feature is that Opus Clip adds captions and custom hooks to your videos, further boosting engagement. These visual elements are crucial for users scrolling without sound, making sure your message still lands. User-friendly interface. With its intuitive drag-and-drop dashboard, Opus Clip is perfect for users at all skill levels. You don't need to be a video editing expert. Opus Clip simplifies the process, giving you professional results in minutes. Is Opus Clip cost-effective? Opus Clip offers a cost-effective solution for creators who want to get the most out of their content. It's a time-saving tool that reduces the need for a dedicated video editor while enhancing your social media performance. And on the Pro, there is a free trial, so you are good to go. Now, what is my final verdict on it? To wrap it up, Opus Clip is one of the coolest tools for anyone looking to repurpose long videos into bite-sized content optimized for social media. Hence, I give it a rating of 4 stars out of 5. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more reviews like this, then make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and visit our website for more interesting AI insights. Till then, keep exploring you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.